how to turn off page you manage edits to your posts notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off page you manage edits to your post notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and then click notifications and go down, click pages you manage, and then select this your page and page interactions, and now just you'll find it here at the last one. Just click on it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.